So in the last session, we have discussed just how to convert that infix expression to postfix, as well as infix expression to prefix expression. Today, I'll just explain how the code works. That same code you have to write. You have to write in a Java. The first thing is what? We have just given some constant values to the left parenthesis, right parenthesis. For operator, if it is an operand, okay, left parenthesis, precedence, arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, precision, and none. Giving some values. Why? Because I'll explain. And we already discussed. If we are taking one prefix expression, infix to postfix, I'll explain. Prefix in the same way you will write. X plus y into z I'm taking. One string. Here it is. One value, just x plus y into z. This one I'm taking. This is actually called, suppose, infix expression with index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is infix. Next, we are taking the postfix expression. We are taking with the same 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 index, and one by one we will add 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For this, infix is a I representing I equals to 0. Prefix expression is P representing P is equal to 0. Total length is a L I am taking. Length of expression is a, suppose, 5 I am taking. Length of expression is 5 I am taking. Just giving that execution, just read an expression. We need to take the stack. So stack top value we are taking. One stack we are taking. And you know that stack starting with the -1. Starting with the -1. All one by one. Top equals to -1. Now we are taking. We ask them to enter the infix expression. Just consider they entered one infix expression. We are calling directly infix to postfix. There are three values we are taking: I, P, L. I and P representing 0, 0. L, type and precedence also we are taking. We'll see. Type and precedence, just variables. Now look at that. Total length we are taking. Suppose 5. Length is a 5. I starting with 0. Less than 5 means up to 4 we have to repeat. So while loop from 0 to length. Those many times. First, which type it is we need to check. Which type? Okay. The type is either it is operator, or it is an operand, or it is a left parenthesis, or is a right parenthesis. Only 4 are there. Right? So first of all, which type it is? Infix of I, nothing but the first character. Infix of I value 0 na? Infix of 0 means what? X, single character. That X you are passing as an input to the method is a get type method. Just take all static methods. It will go to the get type. It is taking that symbol. Inside that switch we are writing switch. If it is a, if the character is this, it will give the value of LP. Return type is integer. Look at this. LP. LP means here we are giving some values. Na? LP is a 10, it will give. RP is a 20. Some values it is giving. Okay. Type is a LP. 10. It will collect back. Switch of 10. 10 is a left parenthesis. No. Because it is X. Is it right parenthesis? No. So if it is not left parenthesis, it's not right parenthesis. Remaining all cases plus, minus, multiplication, division, mod, it will return operator. If all are fail, last one is operand only. Na? Operand value will return some 40, suppose consider. That value it will return back to here. Suppose it's an operand. Okay. Then operand will work. Sir, if it is an operand, I already told you, if it is an operand, directly you can output it. Nothing but directly you can pass value. Directly you can pass value to that postfix expression. So infix of I, X will store into postfix of P. P value already 0. So postfix of P means X will store here. Then automatically that P value will increase. P value become 1 because it is pointing to next character to store. So this will break. This will break means what? This switch case will break. See, look at this. Whenever switch completed, plus I or I plus plus, no matter anything. Because working with the first character is completed. Now it will move to second character, that is plus. Look at this, plus. Okay, now again loop will repeat. This is later. This is later. Here it is. Now 1 is less than 5 because condition true. Get type of infix of I. Infix of 1 is a plus. Infix of 1 is a plus. That plus will get switch type of plus. It will go to the type plus. Plus means what? Is operator. Is operator. Yes, the type is operator type. It will return that operator. So it will come to this operator. Whenever it is operator, first we need to get the precedence. We need to get the precedence. It's a plus operator. Na? Look at this. Plus and minus having least priority. So 1, 1 we have given. Compared to multiplication, division and remainder operators 2, 2, 2. Addition and subtraction equal priority. So 1, 1 we have given. Multiplication, division and remainder same priority. So 2, 2, 2 given, but highest priority than addition and subtraction. So now addition value 1 it will give. Precedence also you will get precedence. So plus operator, addition precedence will return. That is 1. Okay. Precedence value 1. But look at this. Stack is empty. We know that according to algorithm, if stack is empty, directly you can push operator onto the stack. Sir, how can we say that stack is empty? Simple. If top equal to -1. Look at this. We are checking the precedence only if top is greater than -1. If top is not greater than -1, if it is equal to -1 means first condition only fails. Top value -1. -1 greater than -1 condition false. What is its meaning? Stack is empty. When stack is empty, directly push the operator onto the stack. We are calling the push method, passing that plus. But where is the push method? It will go to that push. Simply increase the top value and store that symbol into that stack of top. Top value increase, into that the plus will store. Plus will store. Stack of top. Okay. So whenever it is completed, after executing break plus I, only I value will increase. Look at this, p value is not increasing because still it is pointing to this first location only. Now it is 2. 2 means look at this y. Y is an operand. Na? Whenever it is operand, same story you can push. I mean, you can place into that postfix. So it will change. Then automatically I value also will change. Now try to understand. It's a star, right? Star. If it is an operator, yes. If it is an operator, is operator. What is the get precedence of infix of I? Multiplication precedence is 2 we have given. Try to understand. First top value 0 na? 0 is greater than -1. Yes. So stack is not empty. Stack is not empty. Then we need to check the precedence. Already in stack plus is there. Now you can insert multiplication, no problem. Yes or no? So get precedence of this. Huh? Get precedence of infix of I. What is that precedence? Star na, that is 2. Look at this. If 2 is less than or equal to, get precedence of stack of top. Stack of top is a plus. That precedence is 1. Condition failed. Because plus precedence is 1. So whenever it is failed, no need to pop. Directly you can push. Because if the top of the stack is least priority than new operator, you can directly push that operator onto the stack. Yes. Yes. Top of the stack is a least priority than this new one. So this condition failed. Then push. So simply the top value will increase 1 and this star will go. Next one, I value will increase is a 4. Fourth one is what? Directly it will add. Then it is pointing to the next one. 3 is pointing to the next one. See, whenever it is 5, I value become 5. It's a failed. Look at this. 5 is less than 5 condition false. This while loop will be terminated up to here. Why this while loop means what? Last option is what? If there is no more input, then until top -1, pop each operator from the stack and add to that postfix. Increase that plus p. So here it is. Simply we are doing pop the operator. For pop again we need to write the code. Pop stack of top it will return and top minus. Stack of top it will return and top minus. In a single line you can write return stack of top minus. Instead of writing 4 lines, you can simply write a single line that you know already. So how to write? Just return stack of top minus. Okay. Instead of 4 lines, just for clear explanation, I have written in a 4 lines. You can write in a single line simply. So from this first star will collect. First star will collect, that will add. Then p plus plus means 4. Then plus will add. Then here it is a 5. But before that, first top value 0, then top value -1 in pop. When while top -1 is greater than -1, then you will get error, nothing but condition failed. Simple one. Condition failed. That is okay. Okay. This one. See, in this one more thing you need to understand. Sir, suppose if it is a opening parenthesis, maybe chances are there. Na? If it is opening parenthesis, look at this. In case if it is opening parenthesis, right? You keep on collecting pop method you are calling. You keep on collecting the values, okay, until it is opening parenthesis. Whenever you are getting the closing parenthesis, right parenthesis, if it is left parenthesis, directly you can push. Yes or no? According to the algorithm, whenever you are understanding the code, if it is left parenthesis, you can push onto that stack. If it is a operand, directly you can add to that postfix expression. If it is right parenthesis, until left parenthesis encountered, until it is not equal to left parenthesis, we keep on collecting the character, I mean that operator, and add to that postfix, then increase. Whenever it is right parenthesis, then automatically it will stop. Next, if the operator has highest priority precedence also, suppose already multiplication operator is there. Now if you want to insert plus, first you will get precedence of plus. Precedence is 1. 1 is less than or equal to get precedence of stack of top is multiplication, if that is 2. Then what you will do? Just pop the operator, and add to the postfix, then plus p increase, again loop will repeat. If it is a end, okay, or else if it is one more operator is prior, then we keep on collecting that values, then push infix finally. Okay, this is the one we need to do. So all you have to do is what? This one, try to understand the algorithm, how to convert this postfix into, I mean, infix into postfix, as well as infix into prefix. For this also, you need to write the code. These two codes you have to convert. Just show me the result, whether it is working or not perfectly. Using your string knowledge, Java string knowledge is what? Caret of index length method, properly use that switch, properly use the while loop, length method you have to use. Check all these things correctly. Convert two algorithms. Then I will explain remaining 4 conversions in the tomorrow class. After that, we will start graph. Okay, you can leave.